Our question today is from Sarah, who has her hands full with a 3-year-old. She writes, "My 3-year-old daughter seems to be very defiant. She says no to just about everything, and no matter how much I try to put boundaries in place, it doesn't seem to matter. I just count 1, 2, 3 and then time out, but she refuses to stay in timeout and screams no at me over and over again. The biggest way I get a response is to ignore her, but there has to be a better way. I have a doctor who says she's just super anxious, but I have a hard time determining if it's anxiety or defiance. She is strong-willed and can be the perfect child sometimes. These fights come at most random times. It's never consistent. Any suggestions?" Well, Sarah, there's a couple things you want to think of. Number one, make sure you discriminate between your stop and start behavior tactics. Boundaries involve different things. Stop behavior is obnoxious behavior. You want to be counting that. If it's time for a timeout, it's time for a timeout. Make sure you check the suggestions in the book for keeping kids in timeout. Sometimes you put up a gate. Sometimes you can even close the door if the child doesn't have a history of separation anxiety. Second, when you want to get your daughter to do something, watch your tone of voice. If you start getting afraid of her defiance, she'll pick that up in your tone of voice and she will eat you alive. The other thing you want to make sure is that when you are trying to deal with her after timeout, say she's in timeout and she's causing a ruckus. If she's over 4, which she's not, the timeout doesn't start till she's done with her ruckus. If she's 3, which she is, when the timeout is up, you say time's up, you turn around and walk away, and you don't say anything to her. If she starts the battle all over again, she's going to get counted and she's going to go right back. So you have your hands full. Good luck.